Perminator Underslab Vapor Barrier is a new generation of polyolefin-based resin chemical technology. Perminator provides the vapor barrier industry with a highly effective, economical choice for helping to reduce the penetration of moisture and water vapor through the slab into the structure, thereby helping to reduce fungus, mildew, and mold growth. Perminator also helps prevent radon gas from entering the structure. Perminator is unequaled in the marketplace for water vapor permeance and puncture resistance. Perminator sheets are unrolled as is or cut to size and installed using the overlapping method. Perminator is tough enough to withstand normal construction job site conditions. It won't crack, puncture, snag, split, or tear easily. It also helps meet and maintain the maximum slab moisture transfer rate of 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet per 24 hours allowed by the flooring industry specifications. Perminator is primarily designed for underslab construction. It installs quickly and easily where the soil has been tamped and leveled or where compacted fill has been applied. No gravel or sand is needed. Perminator can also be used in vertical applications as a protection course for waterproofing membranes. Before applying Perminator, level, tamp, or roll the earth or granular material beneath the slab base as specified by the supplied architectural drawings. For horizontal applications, unroll 200 feet, 61 meters, of Perminator over the area where the slab is to be poured. Cut to size if necessary. Perminator should completely cover the pour area. All joints and seams, both side and end, should be overlapped 6 inches and taped using 4-inch wide Perminator tape. The Perminator tape area should be free from dust, dirt, and moisture to allow maximum adhesion of the pressure-sensitive tape. The most efficient installation method includes placing Perminator on top of the footing and against the vertical wall. This will sandwich Perminator between the footing, vertical wall, and poured concrete floor. This will help protect the concrete slab from external moisture sources once the slab has been placed. Before placing the concrete slab, make sure all penetrations, blockouts, and damaged areas are repaired. Numerous municipal building codes do not allow the placement of vapor barriers over the footing due to breaking of the bond between the wall and footing. Although this is not an optimal application method, W.R. Meadows approves this alternate method when required by building codes. Cut a slit around pipes, ductwork, rebar, and wire penetrations to place the initial layer of Perminator. To further protect the concrete slab from external moisture sources, use a piece of Perminator and place a collar around this. Cut a piece of Perminator a minimum width of 12 inches. The length should be 1.5 times the pipe circumference. With a roofer's knife or scissors, cut fingers half the width of the film. Wrap around and tape the collar onto the pipe and completely tape the fingers to the bottom layer of Perminator. In the event that Perminator is damaged during or after installation, you must make repairs. Cut a piece of Perminator large enough to cover any damage by a minimum overlap of 6 inches in all directions. Clean all adhesion areas of dust, dirt, and moisture, and then tape down all the edges using Perminator tape. It isn't necessary to overlay Perminator with gravel or sand because it's tough enough to withstand normal construction abuse and traffic. Most flooring companies even recommend the placement of the concrete slab directly on the Perminator. We agree since this eliminates the potential for trapping moisture in a blotter effect causing it to resurface through the slab into the flooring systems. To be sure, consult with local building codes and regulations as well as architectural and design firm guidelines before applying Perminator. For vertical wall applications, install Melroll waterproofing membrane or Melroll LM liquid waterproofing membrane according to installation instructions. While the membrane is still tacky, install Perminator as a protective course over the applied waterproofing membrane. For some applications, we recommend using termination bar with concrete nails or Perminator tape at the termination of the waterproofing membrane. Supervised care must be taken during backfilling against the material so that it is not damaged or punctured. If damage occurs, patch using the techniques previously outlined. Mel-Drain rolled matrix drainage system is designed to remove moisture from around footings and to relieve hydrostatic head pressures. 8 versions are available. Mel-Roll LM or pointing mastic may be used for stakes, small pipe, and rebar penetrations. Cut Perminator just big enough for the penetration. Liberally applying Mel-Roll LM or pointing mastic around the penetration to keep the integrity of the Perminator membrane intact. Mel-Roll LM can be applied by brush, roller, or sprayer. Pointing mastic can be applied by caulking gun or trowel. Perminator tape is a self-adhesive tape used to seal vapor barrier seams and attach to footings and protrusions. It is offered in 4-inch,